Today we will understand addition and subtraction of fractions. I have taken one example, 3 minus 3 by 5. Now this is a whole number and this is a fraction. So when nothing is there in the denominator, what we can write? 1 can be written in the denominator. Now first step for addition and subtraction is that you have to make your denominators same. For both the denominator should be 5. So what we do, we find LCM. Now 5 is multiple of 1. So 5 will be LCM for this. So we can write LCM will be 5. Now when the denominators are same, they are like fractions, and the like fractions can be added. When the denominators are same, we add the numerators and then we reach to the solution. So first step is the denominator should be made same, and for that we find the LCM. Now I want denominator to be 5, so 3 upon 1, I'll multiply 1 with what? 5, because my LCM is 5. I will get 5 when I'll multiply 1 with 5. If I am multiplying the denominator with 5, I have to multiply the numerator, because you can't change a given number. 5 upon 5 is actually 1. So we make the denominator, which is the LCM for the question. So 3 upon 5. Now the denominators are same. We can do the subtraction. 5 into 3 gives me 15 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. My LCM is 5, so I can write 15 minus 3 upon 5, that is your 12 upon 5. Now answer to be left in mixed numeral, then you have to divide 12 by 5. 5 2s are 10 and the remainder is 2. What we have learnt in earlier video, this is my improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we can give the mixed numeral fraction for this. So 5, 2 and 2, how we remember? QRD. So this is my quotient. I copy the quotient first, remainder and the divisor. You can recheck your answer also. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12 and the divisor was 5. So I am repeating the steps again. First, for addition and subtraction, your denominator should be same. How we make the denominator same? By finding the LCM. My LCM for this one, how I got my LCM to be 5? 5 is multiple of 1. So 5 will be my LCM. So for having 5 here in the denominator, I multiply 1 with 5. Same number I will use in the numerator also, because 5 upon 5 is actually 1. So 5 into 3 gives me 15. When the denominator is same, you can write it once in the denominator. So 15 minus 3 gives me 12, and the mixed numeral is quotient, remainder and divisor after doing the division for this. Let's take one more example for addition now. Now you can see I have uploaded videos for LCM also. So first, if I write 7 by 10, 2 by 5, 3 by 2. Now what is my first step? Finding the LCM so that my denominator is same. Once I make the denominator same, I can add the numerators and reach to the lowest term for my answer. Now I can do mentally also here. We have forget about this. Look at 5 and 10. We have learned when we were doing LCM that if one number is multiple of another, 10 is my LCM, right? So for these two, 10 will be my LCM. Let's consider now 3 and 10, 2 and 10. Again 10 is multiple of 2, so my LCM will be 10 for this. We can do mentally also, otherwise you can, this method also we have done, you can do this also. 2 ones are 2, 5 is not divisible by 2, so I'll just copy it down. 2 5s are 10. 5 1 I copy as it is. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Once you have 1 1 1 here, now I can multiply this to find the LCM. So LCM will be 2 into 5, 10. See, mentally also, but then you have to be careful. All these numbers, if you consider 2 numbers, check carefully that your LCM is 10. Otherwise, you can find the LCM the way we have learned earlier. Now, first step is finding the LCM. Second step is making the denominators same as LCM. So, my LCM is 10. I already have 10 here. So, I copy this as it is. I'll multiply 5 with 2 to get 10. So, what I'll do? I'll multiply 5 with 2 to get 10. Same number I'll use in the numerator also. Then we have 3 by 2. I need to multiply with 5. So, same to be used in numerator also. Now, we can check 7 by 10. 2 into 2 gives me 4 by 10. 5 into 3 gives me 15 by 10. So this comes out to be 26. I'll put it here, 26 by 10. Now you can do cutting here because we have a common factor 2 for this. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 2 fives are. So now I can divide and give the answer. I have shown in previous one how to write the mixed numeral answer. So you can divide 13 and 5 and you get 2 3 by 5. I can recheck. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, 5 is my divisor. So this way you can add your fractions.